Hi everyone, this brief video will provide you with an overview of the Zotero software, as the recording for the Zotero workshop that I have uploaded is really just a static PDF, so I wanted to provide everyone with a live demo of how it works as well. So in Zotero, the basics are that you will create sub-collections and sub-collections, also known as folders. And as you can see here, I have many different ones. And then underneath some of these, I have sub-collections. Items can appear in one or more places as you see fit. When you save an item to your Zotero libraries, which I will show you how to do in just a second, it will import a PDF automatically if available. Now, it is recommended to click on the Zotero connector icon when you're in a library database rather than in Novanet, just so you can make sure you'll get that PDF as well. To view and edit the citation information that's been imported from the source you've selected, all you have to do is click on it, and then you can go through and read and edit the different metadata fields here as I'm demonstrating. So all you'd have to do is click on it. Now, if you're using a citation style such as APA, you will want to ensure that all of the letters in your title are not in the capital letter format. So all the words are not capitalized, and you'll want to use what's called a sentence case. And so this new version of Zotero that came out in last August allows you to do that quickly and easily. All you have to do is click on it, and then over here with the ellipses, you can change between title case, as we see now, or sentence case. Right? So here we have imperfectionist, a friendship-grounded approach to academic library instruction. However, we do need to have a capital letter A for the first word in the subtitle, so I'll just go in and edit that there. So that will ensure that the citation that we generate automatically from this metadata will, be in accordance with the APA citation style manual. So as you scroll down, you'll see there's a lot of other information. You can fill in the fields if you want to here. It's up to you. But it does also attach the PDF of the item as available. And so all you have to do is double click on the title in your Zotero library to come over to and be able to read the actual PDF itself. Now, this Zotero software not only saves the PDFs, but it allows you to import and annotate the PDFs as appropriate. So you can underline, you can highlight. It's up to you how much or how little you'd like to do this. You can insert text. And so I encourage you to explore all of these different features here because they can be highly useful. And another thing to remember about this and to know about this is that these annotations are automatically saved, so you don't have to worry if you click X by accident. All you have to do is go back to that or even scroll down and you can see your annotation is still there. Now, in my presentation, I also talk about the tags that are added. So here we have 5 tags that have been automatically imported with this particular item. But if I'd like to add another one of my own, I can just click on that plus sign there and call it whatever I'd like. What else to say? Well, here are the group libraries here. So I have a number of group libraries I'm a member of, and group libraries are a great way to share the sources that you're using when you're working on a group project, but also to make public your references if you're giving a conference presentation, for example. So when you create a group, and then you can invite members, and I do talk about that in my presentation. It does allow you to save notes. For example, if you have a group discussion about a particular reading, as in this case we did. So as you can see here, I've got lots of different notes with different group members' reactions to the particular reading at hand. And then the highlighted text here with the gray highlight, that is text that I've copied and pasted from the article itself. So it does make it easy for you to distinguish between the ideas and words of your group members and those of the actual article in question. That's a basic overview of the Zotero software. I hope you enjoy.